everybody, welcome back. First off, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy all December festivities. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make my peppermint mocha mocktail. That is a tongue twister. So this is gonna be a mocktail recipe, but you could totally modify it for a cocktail as well. Just throw some vodka in there and you're good to go. This is gonna be one of many mocktail recipes that are on my channel, so go check them out. Also, the recipe for this is gonna be at amaraandrew.com, and it's also gonna be linked in the description below, so go check it out and make your own delicious, wonderful, yummy mocktail. So traditionally, I actually haven't been a mint chocolate kind of person. I know, blasphemy! I only really liked it in ice cream, but lately I've just been on like a mint chocolate kick. I don't know why, I don't know what's going on, but this is the aftermath of it. This is completely gluten and dairy free. If you want to do dairy, just swap out the non-dairy milk for dairy and you are like ready to go. Without further ado, let's get to it. So first what you're gonna do, take a martini glass and then you are going to rim it in chocolate syrup, which is delicious. Oops. I thought I made this for the mouth of my martini glass, but apparently I did not. Made it a little smaller, but you know what? That's okay. We are improvising and it is gonna be beautiful no matter what. Okay, I mean, that looks pretty fucking good. That looks beautiful. And then what you're gonna do is just rim it with cocoa powder. Ooh, be careful because it is dusty, I will say, so it will kind of go everywhere. So be very careful. Oh fuck, oh god, this is so messy. Uh-oh. Well, if you see cocoa powder in any of my other recipe videos, you'll know why. Okay, so that is all nice and rimmed and ready to go. So then you're just gonna put this off to the side. I'm just covered in chocolate already. Nom, 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 nom. Oh my god, it's literally everywhere. Whoops, well, good thing I like chocolate. Okay, so we're just gonna put those things off to the side. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a cocktail shaker or mason jar with some ice in it, and you're gonna add 5 ounces of non-dairy milk, or like I said, if you're doing dairy milk, then 5 ounces of dairy milk. Pour that in there. I'm doing oat milk. That has been my latest obsession, as you'll probably hear me say in many videos. I think actually I say it in my best coffee shops in Ocean City video, which that was like the first place that I tried oat milk. I know, it took me like forever to adopt to it, but I was the same with social media, hated it, and I still kind of hate it, but I digress. So yeah, late adopter to oat milk, but now I am obsessed with it. It's so rich and creamy. Anywho, back to the mocktail. So then you're gonna take a half ounce. Wow, that'd be so much cocoa. You're gonna take 1/2 teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. I'm doing 1 teaspoon just because I like it really chocolatey, but I kind of recommend 1/2 just because then it's not like chalky. I don't know. I'm a weirdo, blah, blah, blah. Okay, pour that in there. And this is totally up to your sweetness preference, but 1 to 2 ounces of peppermint simple syrup. I'm gonna do 2 just because I really like the super pepperminty vibe. Alrighty, pour that in there, and then just put your lid on and give it a good shake. I normally do about 30-ish seconds, so let's do that. Okay, shake it up, shook it up, whatever. You know I struggle with that. Okay, so that is ready to go. So then what we're gonna do, we're gonna take our already prepared martini glass and then just strain your mocktail into there. Oh my god, I'm still covered in chocolate. What the fuck? Looks like poop. So then we'll just strain that into our martini glass. And then I like to garnish it with a little candy cane and just put it off to the side. I should have taken the plastic wrapper off before, but whatever. So then just garnish it with a candy cane, because I don't know, that's fun and festive. And there you are, your peppermint mocha mocktail. Let's give it a sippy doodle. Fuck me if that is not delicious. That is so good. I probably have chocolate on my lips. I can't even see. Yeah, whatever. That is beyond delicious. It's so festive. It's so pretty. I don't know. It just looks awesome. It's a great like after dinner sort of thing. If you want to French anybody on Christmas, it definitely will like freshen your breath so you're ready to French whoever you want. Nice little Christmas makeout session, and like have like 1 or 2 of these and you're good to go. Just make sure you wipe the chocolate off your mouth first, or else that might not look good. So. Oh god, that's so good. Super simple, really straightforward. Like I said, the recipe for this is on my website, amaraandrew.com, linked in the description below. If I have chocolate on my face, sorry, I don't know if I do, I can't really see, so we'll just find out. Editing Amara, do I have chocolate on my face? Nope, you're good. Fucking idiot. Thank you. Just kidding, I won't know. And like I said, there are a bunch of other recipes too on my channel, as well as obviously in that post where I talk about all my Christmas mocktails. Have a great, I'm just finding chocolate everywhere. Sorry, it's like literally everywhere. Oh God, it's still in my hand. Ugh. Whatever. Have a great holiday season. Enjoy your time together with loved ones, whether that be friends, family, or just nobody. Sometimes alone time is the best time, and you shouldn't feel bad about doing that on the holidays. That is not a bad thing. Make yourself a couple mocktails. Have fun if you can during the holiday season. Try not to feel the stress and pressure of the holidays, because I know that's really difficult, and it can be really difficult for some people. I am one of them for sure. The holidays are definitely not my best time of year, so I don't know. Having a festive mocktail is always a really nice thing. That'll do it. Stay safe, be lovely, love each other, and just be a great person. No pressure, but just be a really great person. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.